Hello, my name is Lily. This presentation talks about a simple cell phone design for seniors. We know simple phone is low cost and easy to use. Problems with current cell phone design. First, no trailers to senior user because it has too many features, such as downloading apps, watching videos, accessing social networking sites, or posting multimedia content online. Second, text is often too small. For young people, they like the small text because they don't like others see what they are doing on the phone. But for seniors, they like the text bigger because it is easy to read. Third, small buttons and complicated software design. All those features don't fit seniors' habits. Using research to define our product battery life and usage. This simple cell phone with 6 hours of battery life would satisfy most users. The majority average use per day is about 5 to 15 minutes. The phone software and hardware should be reliable and simple to use. Size and weight. From the left picture, we know that the requirement for senior cell phone is button size need to be large. The medium-sized button should fit the need. The display is easy to read and the buttons are large. Based on right picture and research, we know most seniors want a phone with medium size and weight. In short, large numbers and displays, easy to navigate menus, and call quality are some of the most important features seniors look for and need in a cell phone. Final product. Most seniors don't care to play music on their phones, and they may not even care for a camera. For the most part, they want to be able to make a phone call when they are away from home or during an emergency. So the final product should be simple interface, contrasty and medium-sized buttons, medium screen size and brightness, full rubber grip and recycled case. Test result. Positive. It is a simple layout. The button size is great. Acceptable battery life and the price is right. There's also not clutter up with icons. Negative. It is lacking features such as camera, not fashionable, and clunky looking. From contrast, majority of test results is positive and meet the expectations. The best cell phones for seniors are those that are simple to use with large displays and large buttons. Sale results. The sales goal of 15,000 is met. The client is happy with the result and looking for a new project. Users are enjoying their new simple phones. That's all. Thank you for your watching.